Good morning and welcome to e-learning classes of Sant Michael's Academy, Bettiya. Students, myself Dr. Janendra, and we have the topic investment and its components of the chapter Basic Concepts of the Macroeconomics of Class 12. Students, investment refers to the increase in the stock of the capital during the period of an accounting year. It is the process of the capital formation. It is the process of the capital formation. It refers to the increase in the machineries, plants and capital assets and of the producers during the period of an accounting year. Now, we have to understand it properly. Investment refers to the increase in capital stock. Increase in the capital stock. During the period of an accounting year. I is equal to delta K. Here I refers to investment and delta K refers to change in the capital stock. Change in the capital stock during the period of an accounting year. You know, increase in the capital stock. Increase in the capital stock refers to the capital formation. Capital formation. In this way, we can define that investment refers to the increase in the capital stock or change in the capital stock. It is the process. It is a process of the capital formation during the period of an accounting year. In the macroeconomics economy as a whole, investment refers to the total production of the capital goods in an economy during the period of an accounting year. And you already know that these capital goods are used by the producers in the process of production, either for the replacement of the existing capital stock or addition to the capital stock. Investment also includes the stocks of the producer or inventory investment. Now we can classify or write its components of investment. The main components of investment are following: fixed investment, fixed investment, and second, inventory investment. Inventory investment. Now we will study these components one by one. Here the main components of investment are fixed investment and inventory investment. Now we have the fixed investment. We take fixed investment. fixed investment refers to the increase in the fixed assets of the producer during the period of an accounting year. During the period of an accounting year. You already know that some fixed assets are necessary for the production of other things. For examples, plants and machineries are the fixed assets of the producer. These fixed assets, plants and machineries etc. are used by the producers in the process of production for the production of the other goods. The change in the fixed assets, stock of the fixed assets, change in the stock of the fixed assets during the period of an accounting year is called fixed investment. Fixed investment refers to the change in the stock of fixed assets. The stock of fixed assets. A stock of the fixed assets by the producers during the period of an accounting year. We can find the fixed investment in an economy during the period of an accounting year with the help of the following formula. We take the formula: fixed investment is equal to the a stock of fixed assets by the producers, a stock of the fixed asset at the end of accounting year, an accounting year, minus a stock of fixed assets or fixed capital at the beginning of an accounting year. We can find the fixed investment in an economy with the help of the following formula. Fixed investment in an economy is equal to the stock of the fixed assets, or fixed capital at the end of the accounting year minus stock of the fixed capital stock or fixed assets in the beginning of the accounting year. It means to find the fixed investment, we will minus the fixed stock of the producers in an economy at the beginning of accounting year from the fixed assets with the producers at the end of accounting year. Now, in the next video, we will discuss about the inventory investment. Now, watch the next video.